Good afternoon. This is the introduction to our next lecture on the interaction of government and the economy. And this introduction is quite brief. The overall question that we're going to be considering when we read Chapter 4 of the textbook is the following. What is the theoretical and real-world rationale for government, either intervention or non-intervention, into the economy? And I spelled economy wrong there, and I apologize. And we're going to look at this in several different segments. We're going to talk about two theoretical concepts called the tragedy of the commons and the stag hunt in sections 4a and 4b. In sections 4c and 4d, I'm going to introduce you more closely to the theories of Adam Smith and Karl Marx and their reactions to capitalism. In section 4e, we're going to come back to look at the tragedy of the commons and the stag hunt again. We'll look at a real-world example of how do we deal with the problem of air pollution. And then in section 4f, we're going to talk about public health as being a common pool resource, and to what extent can and should government intervene to regulate that particular common pool resource. And I'm going to ask you to watch a PBS program called Sick Around the World that was released in 2008. So let's get started.